Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Alan. Got a little video finishing up that smoker I was starting in the video before the last one. It was that cabinet smoker. I got it put on the stand, and I'm fixing to start cutting out for the stacks right here. It has two separate ones right here. It's just for more pull to get that draft going stronger if you need it. Kind of all over in this video. Got several things going on. Finishing up two smokers and starting another one. Showing another machine, weld machine. I'm just getting them welded on here. Using the HTP ProPulse. Excellent machine. I changed the liner in it and the lead a few weeks ago. I don't know why I waited so long to change that liner. I had the new one for over a year. And just kept messing with it. You'd have to hold the lead in a certain position to keep it from messing up. And I mean, it takes like 3 or 4 minutes to change that lead. I don't know why I put it off for so long. I was so glad when I did. It's a world of difference. But this is the other smoker that I've been working on, one of the reverse flows. I was waiting on the stuff to come in and finish the door, and I got that. So I'm putting it back together now. Or finishing putting it together. I'm gonna go ahead and get the paint on it. While the paint's drying on that, we'll be back on the other one. It looks sunny out there, but it was sprinkling that morning. And I didn't want to take any chances on painting out there and getting rain on it while the paint was still wet. I found if I get right there in that back door and leave both of the doors open and put the fans on it, it blows that paint out pretty good. So while the paint's drying there, we'll get back over here, try to get this one finished up. This is the smoker I was cutting out the nameplate for on the last one. I didn't get a whole lot of footage of getting this one put together. It's just a side table, and it has another table that goes on the front. All right, I went ahead and got it painted up, finished and painted, and it's sitting there drying now. While it's drying, I'm gonna start another one of these smokers with a new machine that I got in, a Weaver welding machine. I've had it in for a couple weeks and I wanted to try it out. Also, this is the other one that the paint was drying on. I thought I got some video of this, but I ended up not getting any. All I had was those 2 pictures. But it came out looking real good. So this is where I was starting the other smoker. This is that weld machine. I'm running a stick on it. It's capable of MIG and TIG and stick. But it's a lot less stuff to hook up to run stick on. All you gotta do is hook the leads up and go. So I'm just trying it out first. I'll pull it back out and do some more stuff with it later on. This is just 7018 that I'm welding this out with. These rods are so old. And I haven't welded stick in probably 4 years at least. pretty shaky. Surprisingly, the rods that I thought would be worse are the Lincoln rods I have, because they've been sitting outside under a tarp, but the box is open. But those rods run better than the other ones that were put up inside. I probably could have heated them up, put them in the oven or something, got a little better action. But a lot of it's just me. I hadn't ran stick in so long. My hand's just not used to it. But the machine does real good. I mean, if it does as well on everything else as it is on stick, it's a real good machine. I'll put a link in the description box where you can check them out. And that's some of the welds. Like I say, it's kind of shaky. There's some undercut on that top that you can't really see. And this is the one that I just painted, the cabinet smoker. Got it all finished up. This one has 4 racks in it. A little side table in front of the firebox, a griddle plate in the firebox. Has the basket in the ash pan. Water pan inside there. And that'll pretty much do it on this video. If you're interested in a smoker, I'll leave my email in the description box. You can shoot me an email on these or any of the other smokers. If you're new to the channel, please like and subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.